Today, let's dive into the fully automatic precision machining solution of XKNC. Equipped with automatic loading and unloading manipulators, Renishaw flexible measuring systems, and data interconnection communication, it realizes fully closed-loop unmanned intelligent machining. While the machine tool performs continuous cutting, the manipulator automatically completes workpiece picking, sorting, and transferring simultaneously. The whole process requires zero manual intervention, completely eliminating labor for loading and unloading. In traditional machining methods, manual clamping and conventional measuring tools were the norm, leading not only to high labor costs but also to unstable product quality due to human factors. Open machining and stop-and-check inspections severely reduced production efficiency and posed safety risks to personnel. With XKNC's machining center equipped with a fully automated system, closed-loop intelligent machining is achieved. During workpiece transfer, the Renishaw Equator conducts full inspection of key machining features online in real time. No need machine shutdown or manual measurement, greatly boosting inspection efficiency while ensuring zero measurement error. All inspection data is automatically fed back to the CNC system in real time. The system automatically compensates for tool wear and monitors dimensional accuracy of key processes. Quality control is upgraded to active process management, stabilizing product quality and ensuring perfect machining consistency. The whole workflow covers automatic feeding, machining, flexible inspection, product sorting and automatic compensation, achieving full closed-loop intelligent production. This is the future production mode of the precision machining industry. With XKNC intelligent machine tools, achieve cost reduction, efficiency improvement and stable precision in one-stop implementation.